This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station Crow 35, broadcasting in New York City on 162.550 MHz. This station broadcasts emergency bulletins and The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Island Department of Health. All residents of Long Island must head inside immediately. A cloud of chlorine gas has been reported spreading across the Long Island. This gas is confirmed to have originated from the Nassau Boulevard train station in Garden City. If you have the following symptoms, or accidentally inhale any chlorine, call 911 immediately: blurred vision, blisters, coughing, difficulty breathing, and a burning sensation. Hazmat teams are currently trying to rid of the gas cloud, but until further notice all residents of Long Island must stay indoors.